Good day, YouTubers. This is Michael Steinmetz here. This is a package that came back late, so let's unbox this thing. It must be Doctor Who of the Underworld and the Horns of Nimon. Let's start it up. And there she is. And here we got this DVDs, two of those DVDs with Underworld and the Horns of Nimon. And that's it. So cool, isn't it? So there's a fourth Doctor, Tom Baker, and Leela right there, and there's Romana. And here we go. If Doctor Who Underworld, this is a great movie. It's a very, very scariest show I have ever seen before. Well, let's see what it is. And look at this. At this very edge of the known universe, the TARDIS materialized on the Against spacecraft. The R1C on board the Doctor and Leela meets Jackson and his crew, who are deadly pulverized their mission to recover a Maryland's race bank from the ship that life their home planet creatures centuries earlier, and whatever those things is, whatever it is. So there is the DVD extras, audio commentary by the actor Tom Baker, the Doctor, and Louise Jameson, Leela. And this co-writer Bob Baker, Into the Unknown, making of documentaries, featuring script editor Anthony Reed, actors Jonathan Newton, whatever it is, and Underworld in studio, and photo gallery, and PDF materials. Radio Times listing, of course. So let's open this up and see what it is, but it's already opened, so let's give it a shot. And here's recycled material. My camera is not focusing, so it's dark. And here we have his disc of Underworld. It says 89 minutes approximately, mono audio 4.3. This is so cool. And it says originally transmitted January 7th to 28th, 1978. This is the final season of Leela being the Doctor's companions before the first Romana took over. And here we have is this DVD of Doctor Who, The Horns of Nimon. There's the fourth Doctor, Tom Baker. There's Romana, is played by Lalla Ward. Look at these creatures. They call themselves Nimons. There's K9. Wow. And look on the back. When the TARDIS consoled was within spaceship era, whatever these things is. But this is, it says story number 96 on the Underworld, but this one is a story number 108. That's on the Horns of Nimon. So we got this one is audio commentary by the actor Lala Ward, who plays Ramana, Janet Ills Tika, and Gritham Crowned Solden, whatever it is. Anthony Reeds, who Peter Partners in Time, the history of Blue Peter's relationship. Doctor Who presents the Gritham Jones. And Reed the Writer, and Peter Howell's music demo, 1980 Reese Radio Workshop on part 2. Begins 30 minutes and 3 minutes. And here I have his photo gallery and PDF materials, radio times listings, and it says originally transmitted December 22nd, 1979 and January 12th, 1980. And let's give it a shot. Although this story, Doctor Who, Horns of Nimon, this is an underworld. These are the DVDs I've been waiting for, back in print. So, got the recycled material, and there is a disc of the Horns of Nimon. And it says 101 minutes approximately. Mono audio 4.3. Okay, so I'm gonna watch these two and get back to you tomorrow when I start up with The Mind of Evil. So see you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.